Arithmetic progression, last minute formula revision. If we have a numeric series of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, such a series is called an arithmetic progression or an AP series. And this is the general form of an AP. The first term here is a and d is the common difference. Now this common difference can be positive or it can be negative and its value can also be 0. The nth term of an AP series is represented by an and the sum of the first n terms is represented by Sn. And if the last term of the series is already given, it is denoted by L. If we talk about the nth term of the series, then the formula to find it is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. For example, if we have to find the 10th term, it would be a plus 9d. Formula for sum of first n terms is n divided by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And if the first term and the last term is already given, then the formula of sum is n divided by 2 multiplied by a plus l. Now let's talk about the common difference. If from second term we subtract the first term, or from third term we subtract the second term, or from fourth one we subtract the third term, that is, from any term if we subtract the previous term, it gives us the common difference. Now one more important concept. If we know the sum of first n terms, which is Sn, and the sum of first n minus 1 terms, which is Sn minus 1, we can easily find the nth term, and this would be Sn minus Sn minus 1. If there is an AP series with known last term, we call it finite AP series. But if the series is such that the last term is not given, it is called an infinite AP series. Coming back to common difference, we discussed that d can be positive, it can be negative, and it can also be 0. So here is an example, the AP series 1, 1, 1, 1 and so on. Here the first term is 1 and the common difference is 0. Next, if we have three numbers a1, a2 and a3 in AP, then a2 would be the mean of a1 and a3. Suppose you have an AP series with 25 elements in total and you have to find the 10th term from the end. Most students will make a very common mistake. They find 25 minus 10, that is they find a15, whereas you have to find 25 minus 10 plus 1, which is 16. So a16 is what you have to find. A16 will be the 10th term from the end. So students, if you like this last minute formula revision, then please share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Mathemafia.